Are you sure you don't want to launch it? Come on. Yeah.
Okay. Then you're sure? Really
Yes,
sure?
yes, yes. Don't worry.
Okay. I trust you on the rest.
Yep. Yes, he's getting it. Good job, guys. He's getting it.
What are you looking at?
I'm looking at a map of the polar bear concentration, and it looks a lot like where we are. Yeah, I don't know if that's a bad thing or a good thing. I think.
In the children's corner, show us what do you have here. What is this? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna push that other one. Yeah, I'll push it with the bow. Is the 360 filming?
Those polar bear pictures and the orcas. Pretty cool. All right, let's get a couple questions.
What you've seen today, you can just go tell them about it, and they might get interested. They might learn a lot more. They might contribute into the field more significantly.
I'm being an antenna. Antennas don't speak, so